Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I'm writing a manual at the moment for my subscribers. I'm going to go through this cabinet object in detail. This is the Vectorworks Cabinet object. And I was just writing the part where we look at the textures on the objects. Now what I've done is I've used classes to control the textures on all these objects. Let me edit those classes. Here they are here. Let's have a look at my textures. I'm going to change this to a plywood texture. And you'll notice that all of my cabinets change. Now I've actually put end panels on my corner cupboard here so that I get my textures each side. Let's just put that back again. So edit. We're going to change our textures. We're going to go back to the melamine. And there they are. Super cool. Now the way that I did that was to edit these objects. So the way that I did it was to make sure that for each of these components I was using the class texture. And I created a whole lot of classes that I could use to control these objects. I think this is really cool. If you'd like to join me for my workshop on creating these cabinets, don't forget to become a member of my YouTube channel, or if you're already a subscriber on my website, don't forget to register. We're going to go through these cabinets in detail. Hey, if you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Really helps other people to find these movies. And also leave a comment. Do you think I'm right? Do you think we should use classes to control the textures, or should we use materials to control these textures? Let me know your thoughts. Take care.